What's going on, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. All right, I'm going to talk about an indicator that has really done a good job. It doesn't happen very often, but when it does trigger, does a really good job of picking spots to get long, really nice returns. Last time we had a 300% return. The time before that, in the middle of a bear market, still produced a 40% return on Bitcoin. So we're going to talk about that indicator. We notice we got a moneymaker buy, so that's the time to now start looking for longs on Bitcoin and clearing out some of these resistance levels. We still got to clear the 200 period moving average, but with this indicator fires, you better heed it. So we're going to dive into that. Guys, real quick, we have our specials ending soon here, and if you want to get our specials, you can get that. If you want to just our indicator software, the moneymaker, 40% off that using the promo code. And we just wrapped up our training in Hawaii. It went really well. Gave the attendees special access to our altcoin indicators, which are highly profitable. And we're going to do another session in Orlando, so look for that being posted on our website in the coming week or so if you're interested in that. All right, guys, let's dive into this video and check out this indicator we're talking about.
Trade Genius.
All right, guys, so things have flipped bullish. We had a couple moneymaker buys, as we talked about, right into the 200 period moving average, and then a bevy of money marker sells, which ended up taking out this triple bottom low and tagging out these lows here. And now we've got a big engulfing candle up into the 200 period moving average again with a moneymaker buy firing. So this is going to be a buy the dip type mode. What's interesting about that is it correlates with this indicator that I want to show you guys. Also, our delta indicator also is flipping to long. That means you buy any pullbacks now. Nice bounce off of delta 0. So that's significant. That's usually a significant area of a move, which we'll see that will see many percentage points higher. All right, so the indicator I want to talk about is NVT, okay? If you're not familiar with what NVT is, this is the network value to transactions ratio, okay? Willy Woo came up with this, I believe, and basically what it does is it measures the dollar value of crypto asset transaction activity relative to network value. So think of it like the PE ratio in stocks, price to earnings. So this is, how active the Bitcoin network is versus the value of Bitcoin. Okay, so you get this. If it's a very active and used network, right, then the price should reflect higher because it's being utilized. Okay, so think of it as a PE ratio for Bitcoin using the on-chain activity as a measure of that. So generally speaking, if it's a low value, then that's meaning that it's going to be a bearish thing for the price, and it kind of follows price, as you can see here. What's very accurate though and key is this signal line. Okay, so this is the NVT indicator. You can get that on TradingView, but notice what happens on these crosses. Okay, so this is a weekly chart. Notice NVT ratio is trending higher off of this trend line as well. But notice when we cross, okay, even in the bear market, middle of the bear market, 45%, 46% move up. Here's the other cross. We got almost a 300% move off of that right out of the bear market. And here we have another cross again going up, coming off of this really bullish move, heading toward the halving in 8 months. Guys, this hasn't crossed yet. Should cross starting next week. So Sunday night when the weekly bar prints, we should see that cross. That's going to be green lights for buying dips, and we should see another large percentage gain from here. Okay, may not happen as fast as this last one, but I do think this thing is going to grind higher into May 2020, and I think this cross here is going to be a big catalyst for that. So NVT ratio, this doesn't happen very often. We had one back in February. Prior to that, it was March of 2018, almost a year apart, and now we're getting another one here in October. So they don't happen often, but when they do, pay attention. There's big price gains from that. So if you're looking to get long, or if you're talking about long-term positioning, or you haven't yet gotten that Bitcoin that you wanted to hold for a long time to 6 figures valuation, you better start looking now. All right, so that's a heads up, guys. If you are interested in what we do, we don't only cover cryptos, we cover stocks, ETFs, we even do binary options every single day in the room. Guys are making a lot of money off of that stuff. If you want to join us, head over to tradelikeagenius.com. We'd love to see you there. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Trade Genius.